Hello and welcome to the North Pole Branch Library. My name is Miss Lori and today I'm going to show you how to make a lava lamp. The ingredients you will need to make a lava lamp is some oil. Any kind of basic oil will work. Vegetable oil, olive oil, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer. You're going to need some tap water and most importantly, a clear jar or something clear that you can see through to make your lava lamp in. The first thing you will do is pour some oil into the jar. You want to fill it up about 2/3 of the way. Then fill the rest of the jar with basic tap water. And then watch, you will see the water will go to the bottom and the oil will be on top. Now add some food coloring to the jar. I added some red and then I decided to put in some blue too. I was trying to make purple. And as you can see, the food coloring is also going to go down to the bottom of the jar. It looks kind of neat. The last step is to take your Alka-Seltzer tablets, take one, break it up into a couple of different pieces, and add one of the pieces to the jar. You can see right away it starts reacting. It looks really neat. It's kind of bubbling there, and there you go. There's your lava lamp. So after a while, after the bubbling stops, you can start it back up again by just adding another piece of your Alka-Seltzer. And there you go. So I'm back. We just made our lava lamp and now we're going to make a sensory jar or a glitter jar. The ingredients you need for your glitter jar is food coloring, some clear Elmer's glue, glitter, cotton balls, and the most important thing is a jar or some kind of container that you can put a lid on and it's clear, you can see through it. The first thing that you want to do when making your glitter jar is take about 3 or 4 cotton balls and place them in the bottom of the jar. And then you'll take the glitter that you chose and you'll just dump a little bit on top of the cotton balls, about a teaspoonful, and then another layer of cotton balls, then some more glitter, then some more cotton balls. You're just going to layer those in there. A tip for this craft is not to put too many cotton balls into your jar. You don't want the cotton balls packed into the jar. The next step is to pour some clear Elmer's glue into the jar, covering the cotton balls. It may take a couple of containers of glue to fill it up to almost the top of the jar. You need to leave a little bit of room for air. The next step is to add some food coloring. Add about 10 drops of food coloring and then put the lid on the jar and shake it up. It may take a little while to get the color to blend all the way through the whole jar. But once you're done, you have a beautiful galaxy jar that you can sit and admire. I hope that you find these experiments fun. Make sure and ask a parent to help you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.